Buying XRP on Phantom Wallet is extremely easy to do. First thing you're going to need to do is you open up Phantom Wallet like I am so here, where from here you can actually see your balance and such as your details for the account. Now, once you're actually on this page, now the first thing you're going to need to do is you actually need to click on buy, and you need to buy some Ethereum or Bitcoin so we can actually swap this into XRP. So once you actually enter in the amount, let's just say we want to buy 10 Bitcoin, you enter in your debit card or credit card info and you buy it like so. Once you've done that, you'll have $10 in your account, where from here what you need to do is in the top right hand corner you click on the search bar and simply type in the word XRP like so, where you can actually see it pops up like so. Once you click on this, you click on the swap option and you can actually see we enter in the amount that we want to pay. It can be $10 Ethereum if you have that. You can actually can be 10 Ethereum coins if you have 10 Ethereum coins, or if you have 1 Ethereum coin. And as you can see when we type this in, you simply click on done, and you can actually click on insignificant funds, which because I don't have any funds right now. You click on this and it will allow you to actually convert your Ethereum coin to